Good morning. It's now Friday, 21st, 03, 2014. A morning like today in Jamaica, where you can see the birds as free and pretty. Cuckoo. They are the birds of TVRSS sunshine. Peacock. Cuckoo. The peacock over there. Pigeons of TVRSS sunshine. Live coming to you from TVRSS sunshine headquarters. Cuckoo. 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 And great reminder, great reminder says coming in next week, Reggae Sun TV Reggae Sunshine will be broadcasting you live news by Uncle Freddy from across the fence, from across the barbed wire fence. That's Uncle Freddy from across the barbed wire fence. We'll be bringing to you live news from across Jamaica and around the world. Beautiful birds and the peacock over there. So don't forget, you'll be getting live news every morning at 6 o'clock from across the wire fence. Brought to you by Uncle Freddy, brought to you by Freedom Palace Villa, a home away from home, World Recording Studio, a deck where all musical brains meet. TVRSS Sunshine, the virtual TV first virtual TV in Jamaica from O3S. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. cuckoo, cuckoo. And more update coming up anytime soon. TVRSS Sunshine will be hitting the road and questioning you all about the world boss. Five cartel, the world boss. What have you to say about the world boss? All his music stored in the world and he's not here. What will be the future of the world boss? So join me in the street of Oterias. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. These are my birds. They listen to me better than humans. They listen to me. They are my birds. This is not the full force of the birds, but the more come. Bye, babies. Bye.